there, Blue fans, and welcome to another First Look. Today, you get to take a look at the latest addition to the G series, the smoking hot G9 Pro. Ow! This beauteous flagship device is stunningly unique, with an innovative pattern design on the smooth glass back. I have to say, other companies attempt to design on a glass back and they just always seem to fail short. The G9 Pro also features a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus Infinity display with 128 gigs of internal memory and 4 gigs of RAM at a mega low price that you won't believe. Asking yourself, what's the difference between the G9 Pro and the older sibling, the G9? Well, stick around and find out. First things first, I know you're all thinking it. What is on this box? Do you want to know? Do ya? Do ya? It's sharks. It's sharks. Anyway, let's get back to it. This box is so flawless, totally feeling those Miami vibes. Duh, because Blue is a Miami-based company. Feeling those saltwater vibes. These beautiful blue hues and subtle hints of purple that represent the iconic South Beach waters already have me convinced that what's inside is going to be crazy cool. All right, let's take a closer look. Ooh. Oh, wow. Check that out. All right, I was told last time that this took me way too long to unbox, so I'll speed it up.
Phone, 18-watt quick charging brick, Type-C cable, headphones, sticker, quick guides, SIM key, tempered glass screen protector, protective case, light.
Wow, this phone is sick. The 6.3-inch Full HD Plus 1080p Infinity display with a 91% screen to body and 19:9 aspect ratio is showcased perfectly. It's covered by a layer of Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Also, if you can even see it, there is a tiny V notch at the top for your selfies. The phone is so gorgeous. Check out the fierce gradient from blue to purple, which Blue calls nightfall, and I can see why. This beautiful phone is covered by a premium-looking glass back, and I noticed the gift box theme is reflected on the color of the phone, which is really cool. G9 Pro is bringing the power with the Mediatek P60 chipset using a 64-bit 2 GHz Octa-Core Processor built with 12-nanometer technology with 139,022 score that totally obliterates the competition. Nothing you can buy today at this pricing will be as fast and responsive as the G9 Pro. Kick ass! Way to go, Blue, you my boy! Swimmity, swimmity. The G9 Pro has everything you could possibly need in today's modern world, including A.I technology for advanced triple camera photography. 1, 2, 3! This device delivers incredible energy efficiency, which reminds me, if you want longer battery life, the G9 Pro has a built-in monster 4,000 milliamp battery. Now that is energy and that is thin. As you guys saw earlier, the 18-watt mega charger comes in the box, which can juice up your phone over 50% in less than 30 minutes. Not to mention that G9 Pro supports 10-watt wireless charging, so simply put the device down and continue to go about your day. Folks, no one else includes wireless charging capabilities at this price point. Again, you will only see it from Blue. I see you. You've been waiting all day for this. And that's me working the camera. That's right. It's selfie time.
I'm too sexy for my shirt. Too sexy for my shirt. So sexy it hurts. And I'm too sexy for Milan. Too sexy for Milan, New York and Japan. And I'm too sexy for your party. Too sexy for your party. No way.
The G9 Pro has a triple camera setup in the back, with a main 16 megapixel sensor and second 5 megapixel depth of field sensor camera for professional grade portrait mode shots, all powered by AI enhanced smart imaging and video. With AI, the camera's auto scene detection can recognize surrounding sceneries, such as landscapes, food pics, pictures of your pets, whatever, and make the necessary adjustments to the camera settings in real time to ensure that your photos come out looking perfect without any manual intervention. The 96 megapixel super zoom mode will process photos up to 6 times higher. You'll be able to zoom in and look at the tiniest image details while taking pics. I already tried it and it was awesome. The third 20 megapixel sensor supports night mode in order to take pictures in incredibly low light. On the front, you have a wide-angle 24 megapixel camera for all you selfie lovers like me, with selfie mode, beautification features, and other several live filters to choose from. It's like a bad hair day doesn't exist when you have this phone. Oh, so cute. All right, time to talk security access. As you can tell, I'm very shy, and my playlist and selfies are not things I want just anyone to easily have access to. With a quick and easy access encrypted fingerprint sensor on the back of the device and face recognition, all of your embarrassing guilty pleasures are safe and sound. It'll work. All right, folks, BLU has an amazing deal for you. You can get the G9 Pro with the beautiful 6.3-inch Full HD Plus Infinity display, triple cameras, and 4 gigs of RAM, and 18-watt quick charge exclusively at Amazon.com for only $249.99. Yes, you heard that right, $249.99. The price is just too good to pass up. You're getting a smartphone that gives you everything you will ever need in terms of performance, and not to mention everything that comes in this gorgeous box. The G9 Pro does have a planned upgrade in the first half of 2020 to Android Q and 2 years security updates. If that isn't enough incentive for you to get this epic phone, get $50 off for a limited time, which means on launch day, you can have the G9 Pro for the price of just $199. Make sure you grab your G9 Pro today while supplies last. I am Ben, and if you enjoyed this video or didn't, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to BLU's YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow us on all our socials for all the latest news that BLU has for you. And remember, be bold!